Great morning students. Dear students, we are doing our chapter number 10, decimals. After learning the addition and subtractions of decimal, now in this video I explain you how to convert decimal into fractions. So let us start our exercise number 42. The first question is 0.3. Here you have to given a decimal and you have to convert this decimal into fraction. Here we see that after decimal we have a single one digit. One digit है तो नीचे आप क्या करेंगे, डेसिमल को रिमूव करके we write 10 at the place of ones digit after decimal. तो हमारा आंसर आ गया 3/10. Clear this one? Now we see one more question. Question number 5. The statement is 4.8. देखिए 4.8 है, डेसिमल से पहले आपको एक नंबर गिवन है. दिस नंबर इज द होल पार्ट. इन द डेसिमल I explain you that before decimal number is the whole part and after decimal number is called the decimal part. So firstly we write the decimal part, we write the whole part here, and after that we write the decimal part. In the decimal part we have the single digit is 8. We write 8 and by 10. ये हो गया. अब देखिए 8 and 10 both are divisible by 2. दोनों के दोनों नंबर आपके 2 से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं. So we cancel them. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now after doing the simplification we get 4 combined 4 by 5 and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Question number 9. 9.05. Again in this question this 9 is the whole part and this 05 is the decimal part. So firstly we write the whole part here. After that we write the decimal part. डेसिमल पार्ट में 05 है, 5 से पहले 0 राइट डाउन करेंगे, देन इट ऑल्सो 5. सो वी राइट हियर 05 एंड दीज आर 2 डिजिट्स, सो वी राइट हियर 2 डिजिट्स यानी कि 5/100. नाउ इन द टेबल ऑफ 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10 एंड 0 इज हियर. नाउ आवर नंबर बिकम्स 9 combined 1/20 and this is your answer. Clear this one? Now we see one more question of this part. Question number 14. Now question number 14 is 4.444. Now again this is the combination of the whole part and the decimal part. In the whole part we have the single digit that is equal to 4 and in decimal part we have 3 digits, so we draw a line here, write the decimal part here. We see that these are the 3 digits, so it means we in the here we write how 1000. Now this number is divisible by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. When we divide 1000 by 4, जब हम 1000 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 2 जा 8, 2 रिमाइंडर, ऊपर से 0 नीचे आया, 4 5 जा 20, अगेन दिस 0 comes down and this 0 right here. So after dividing 1000 by 4 we write here 250 and now our answer becomes that is equal to 4 combined 111 by 250 and this is your answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now in the next question we learn how to convert fractions into decimals. We have to given the fraction and we have to convert them into decimal. Here we have to given 347/100. So firstly we write our numerator. Numerator as it is आपने write down किया. Now we see our denominator part. In the denominator part we have two zeros. So we have to count the number from the back side 1 2 2 digit 2 zeros थी तो 2 digit यहाँ पर आ गई हैं 4 पर and after 4 we put here decimal. So our answer becomes 3.47. Clear this one? Now we do the next question number 25. In this question we have to given 19,035 divided by 1000. So again we write the numerator as it is. As it is हमने numerator write down किया. Now we count our denominator 0. Denominator की 0 count करी. We have 3 zeros. So we have to start from the back side. Count 3 digits 1, 2 and 3. After counting 3 digits we put the decimal here. Now our answer becomes 19.035. Clear this one? Now we do some more questions. Now in question number 27 we have to given the number 2 by 5. Now in this question we see that there is no any zero at the place of denominator. So it means that in that case we have to divide the number. Here we write the numerator and here we write the denominator. Now 2 is smaller than 5, so here we put 0 and put the decimal, and after decimal here we put 1 0. Now 5 4s are 20. So our number becomes 0.4 and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now in the next question, question number 30, this question is in the mixed fraction. So in the mixed fraction question, how we do the question? Now let us we learn. Here the whole part is 3. 3 whole part है तो आप 3 को as it is write down कर लीजिए और 3 के बाद आप decimal write down कीजिए. Clear? जो आपका होल पार्ट है वो आपने एज इट इज यहाँ पर राइट डाउन कर दिया और जो आपका ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का पार्ट है उसे आप डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे? 4 से. क्लियर? 3 आपका 4 से स्मॉलर है, सो वी राइट हियर 0 एंड पुट द डेसिमल. हियर ऑल्सो द डेसिमल एंड पुट हियर 1 0. नाउ 4 7 जा 28. 10 में से 8 गए तो आपके 2 बचे. यहाँ पर 1 0 लगा दी, 1 0 आपने नीचे लगाई तो 4 5 जा 20. ये नंबर आ गया. अब आपका ये नंबर कितना है? 0.75. तो 0 लगाने की नीड नहीं है. वी राइट ओनली द 0.75. हियर वी पुट पॉइंट ऑलरेडी. पॉइंट हमने पहले ही लगा दिया है. वी राइट द रिमेनिंग डिजिट 7 5 एंड दिस इज आवर answer. Clear this one? I hope that you understand how we convert the decimals into fractions and fractions into decimal. In fractions question we have to learn 3 types of question. One type with the denominator 10, 100 or 1000 and simple proper fraction, and third one is the mixed fraction. I hope you understand all the concept related to this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.